Poppy K and her weekly vlogs, shopping, reading and her monologues. Poppy K and her weekly vlogs. Poppy K, subscribe, like, comment and share. Good morning. I'm going to really do my hardest this week to vlog every day. So I've just been to the gym, I'm now going into work. Actually, nice little place, there's a little river down there. So, off to work. I'll speak to you when I finish anyway. Hope the weather gets a bit better. It's a bit... Anyway, see you in a bit. Good morning. Beautiful morning. Again, I'm on my way to work. I've got a busy weekend this weekend. We've ordered, well, we're hiring a skip. We're going to do the back garden, get rid of the decking because it's a death trap. So that's what we're doing. I was about to order that yesterday, but anyway, at work today I've got charity stuff to do later. I might get some video of it, I don't know, but anyway, I'll see you in a bit and I will talk to you later on. Hello. Hello. My charity thing went really well today. I got home, my son was home, so just hung out with him for a bit. And watched some podcasts. I'm really into watching H3 at the moment, the H3 podcast, and I've just been binge watching those. I haven't done any more reading. I think on Saturday I've got a Zoom with the book group that I'm with for the Crystal Cave. And as I said earlier on, we've hired a skip to dig up the garden. Well, we're not digging up the garden. Basically, our decking is shot to pieces. It's rotten. And what we're going to do is we're going to dig it all up, and then we're going to get rid of it, and then we're going to put stones down, and then I want, where we had the corner seat thing, which I've destroyed, it's been demolished, where we had that in the corner, I want one of those sofa, like the rattan sofa things, like the square ones that you can like push together. So that's what I want, is something like that in the corner, so then I can sit and read. I would say in the summer when it gets really hot, but summer, we will see. So that's the plan of action. So anyway, I'm actually watching something about art at the moment, so I'll show you. About Van Gogh, or Van Gogh, however you want to say it, but yeah. So that's my day today. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Today, starting off with a little bit of orange juice, and I'll show what we're doing. Oh my goodness, I'll go this way. I'll show you what we're doing today. We are digging up the decking. Look at that, listen to that. I don't know if you can hear it. This whole bush is buzzing. Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. doing the garden. Whee! I can't do that because I'm going to make myself dizzy. So, yeah. I cleared all down there as well yesterday. So that's all cleared. There's a skip out there as well. So we're going to have some croissants, and then we're going to get cracking on. Well, we run out of space in the skip, but the good thing about it is we are literally halfway. I'll show you. So that's what we got done. I've got to keep that there because I need to patch up a bit of the ground sheet, but that's what we've got so far, which is good. And we've got all of that clear down there. And actually the decking isn't too bad. I mean, it's a little bit thingy there and there, so we're just going to keep this like this for a little bit. But that's what we managed to do today. So I pack up. I need to get some compost for that. And my wildflowers are starting to sprout over there. And I'm going to repaint the shed door. And we've got a palette here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it, put some tiles on the top, some floor tiles, and then I'm going to add some wheels to it, and then that's going to be our table for over there. Because what we're going to do is we're going to have a nice corner sofa thing. So we've got the red arrows coming over at 11:50 something. So I want to make sure that we get them. I saw them yesterday. They're doing a show somewhere, and they have to fly over here. So I'm going to wait and see if I can get them on camera. That could be a challenge, but what I might do is put the camera on. I don't know what I'm going to do anyway. I'm going to go and have a shower. I think what we might do is go and get a picnic and go to Whitley Court, I think, this afternoon. Reward ourselves for hard work. I've got them. Hello. Well, today's Monday. I thought I just lost my. I've just been sat reading. I'm doing a reread. I love to use Tog and Akatar as cleansing palette cleansers, and I just listen to them at work anyway, and I thoroughly enjoy them all the time. So I think this is my fourth. Well, of Akatar it is. This is, I only got this set last year, and I think I've only just read up to, I had only just read up to this when I read it last year. So this is now my second reread. I'm nearly finished. I've got literally that much left. So that's me. I've just been sat waiting for the people to come and get the skip. I said to them, come after 1 o'clock, but it's 4:30 now, so whether or not they're going to come today now, I don't know. So if not, I'll have to give them a ring tomorrow, because I have to give them the money at the door. I'm going to pay them in cash at the door, so whether or not they come to collect it, I don't know. So that's that. Ice cream man. We haven't got any ice cream. We did, however, have some custard left over, and I had a bowl of custard for my lunch today. I love custard. I really do love custard. So that's basically what I've done today. We've really cracked on in the garden. My wheels have come from my palette, so I can paint that. I'll have to have a look at the weather. I don't know whether I'll be able to get that done. Oh, that might be them. Hang on. It might be. I don't know. No, it's not them. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to check the weather to see what that's like, so I can paint my palette. Paint my palette blue and grey. And well, I probably am. No, it's red and grey, isn't it? So yeah, that's it. That's the end of this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Yesterday we managed as well to get the tent out. Give it a hoover. I wanted to mop it, but it's actually not too bad. So I'm on the lookout for a little portable dustpan and brush to take with us when we go camping. So we're all ready to go camping. We've got everything sorted. We've ordered like the last little bits and pieces that we need. We just need gas now, and that's it. We are ready. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.